The final use of a rescue jacket is what we call a velo. Now this is a controllable way of getting someone on the end of 2 ropes into a position out in the current. Now, the way you're going to do this is you're going to have 2 ends clipped in on the back of the rescue jacket to the ring. And that's going to allow that person to be lowered into a position. At this point, that person who's in the water is in control, and they're going to be giving directions one way or the other, downstream or upstream, if they need to be moved. What you're going to be using this for is getting that person to a foot entrapment or anything that's stuck that's of high importance. Again, this is a high exposure rescue, so that person wants to be pretty confident not only of the situation, but also of the people that they have on shore.